Takin po tayo, takin. Arik, huwag mo ulit. Jump with number 20 and number 22. Number 1 and number 10. Oh! No good. Rebounding number 20. Pass number 08. Alvin. Go for 2. No. Number 10. Nawala ba lang ako ng number 24. Pass to number 08. No good. Rebounding number 22. Pass to number 52.
Score 2-0. 2-point lead by Black Knights. Royal Knights. Royal Knights.
Number 08, pass to number 27. Pass to number 20. Number 20, Black, only number 9. Pass to number 10, Rex. Pass to number 9. Titiran ng Rex. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 14. No good, rebound ni number 20. The guy is center. Number 24, number 4. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 52. Wow! Number 08. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 24.
Score 4-0. 4-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 10, pass to number 9. Fire for 3. Bam!
4-3.
3 points.
1-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 24, pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 27. Go for 2.
6-3. 3-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 10, Rexy. 15-second shot clock. Number 10. Pass number 9. 10-second shot clock. Number 10. One number. Same ball. Even number 10 pass to number 52. Big boy Jack. Number 52. Go! By number 52. Walang foul. Aray ko. Number 08. Alvin. May pusa. Number 08. Ano tawag? Double. Violation. Hello.
Score 6-5. 1-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 10. Pass number 4. Pass number 9. Sumubo. Pass.
Oh, change favor.
Number 7.
Lamang ng Royal, lamang ng labasan. 8-6.
Pass to number 24. Pass. 3 points. Number.
Change favor 9-8. Lamang uli ng isang Royal Knights.
6 minutes. Number 1. Number. Same ball. Number 24, pass to number 20, back to number 24, tumira ng 3. Wala ba number? Number 20 pa rin. Number 20, ordinary tira, good for 2.
Score natin 11-8. 3-point lead by Royal Knights. 6
Number 10.
minutes in the first half.
Pow! 3 points.
3 points, deadlock at 11.
Number 7. Back to number 08. Sige, bahala na. Number 27. Wala ka number 7. Pow! Pow lang. Number yun. Number 10. 10. First personal foul. First team foul. Sige. Number 08. Sumubo. Wala ka number. Number 27. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 24. Wala ka number 4. Ari. Pass number 1. Number 9. Pass number 10. Sige. Take it in. Number 21. Outlet pass guy. Rex number 10. Tunay na number 08. Number 08 is good. 2. Mandatories.
Change favor. 2-point lead by Royal Knights at 13-11. Mandatory substitution.
Number 3, Kuya Dave, pass to number 99, Sumubo. One number, number 1. Pass number 31, back to number 1. Ordinary tira, kapos na naman number 20. Good for 2. Number 3, Kuya Dave, pass to number
13-11.
Number 18. Pass number 31. Pass number 18 again. Number 18. Wala naman number. Number 31. Wala naman number 99. Takin kayo. Number 99 is good for 2. Takin o.
15-13, 2-point lead by Royal
Number
Knights.
31. Pass number 18. Pass to number 31 again. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Wala ko number. Dalawa kayo. Number 60. Pass to number 99. Mahusay. Pass number 3. Pass number 16. Pass number 26. Pass number 3. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 5. Sumubo. Pam! 3-4.
Change favor, lamang ng isang labasan. 16-15.
Bastos. Number 31. Number 31. Pass number 1. Pass number 20. Sumulong there. Wala ka number. Number 1. Last ball. Jump ball. Save ball. Lumipat na ang possession arrow. Lang hindi ginagalaw. Pass number 18. Pass number 31. Pass number 18. Number 18 interviews. Wala naman number 16. Pass number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Huli kay number 18. Number 18. Wala naman number 16. Jim Well. Number 16. Muti ka na. Number 99. Wala naman number 18. Pass number 31. 2 minutes and 50 seconds of play. Number 31. Good for 2. Number 3. Kuya Dave. Number 26. Wala naman number. Number 18.
Change favor lamang uli ang Royal Knights ang 1 point.
Huli kay number 26. Number 26. Yung tawag doon. Lifting.
17-16.
Di sinasadya. Sabi ni Gary.
1 point lead by Royal Knights.
Pagpatawad nyo daw. Hot sauce. Takin no. Takin no. Hindi nakatakin dyan. Hindi mo takin. Nakatakin ba? Ang tawag doon, 3 points by number 1.
2016, 4-point lead by Royal Knights.
Pass number 16. Pass number 99. Number 99. Foul. Foul number 31. Number 31. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbound number 99. Pass number 5. Number 5. Foul. Foul number 27. Number 27. First personal foul. First team foul. Second na ba? Second team foul na. Sabi ko foul. Number 27. Sabi ko team foul. Yung second. Second draw. Good. 4-1.
Paso.
Number 1.
The lead is down
Pass to number 31.
to 2 points by Royal Knights.
Pass to number 2. Number 99. Nagmamadali. Kala mo may lakad. Same ball. Even number 99. Hoy! Number 20, pass number 31. Number 31. Good, 4-2.
Score natin 22-18. 22-18. 4-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 16. Sa pattern 5. Wala ko yung number 20. Number 31. Number 31, wala ko number 99. Pass number 26. Number 26. In the piece. Wala ko number 20. 15 seconds to play. Number 20. Good. 4-2. Lance.
Score natin is 18-24, 6-point lead by Royal Knights.
Pass number 5. Number 5. Wala ko number 20. Number 20. Huli. Hoy! Number 16. Pass number 99. 20 seconds to play. Number 99. Ayan na. Sumal pa. Foul. Foul number 18. Number 18. First personal foul. Third team foul. Good, 4-1.
24-19, 5-point lead by Royal Knights.
10 seconds to play. Number 31. Pass to number 20. Wala ko number 16. 5 seconds. Basta na lang inyong maririnig. End of the first quarter is score 24-19 in favor of Royal Knights. Namura pa? Namura pa? Back to the ball game.
Start of the second period.
Go. Number 0.
Pasok!
Ano yun? Binibidyo ako, sayang. Sayang yun. Number 3.
24-22.
Pass number 27. Back to number 08. Number 08.
2-point lead by Royal Knights.
Sumubo. Wala na kay number 0. Corda. Cardo. Anong itatawag ko sa'yo? Probinsyano. Number 0. No look pass kay Arik. Number 4. Wala pa na naman number 22. Tinatayo lang. Pass number 10. Number 22. Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim. Ang tawag doon? Foul. Foul na. Foul number 7. Number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. Imo na number 10.
Wala po pang light.
Pass to number 27 ng Royal Knights. Number 27. Number 27. Good for 2. Ha? Namali lang.
Score natin. 26-22.
Number 27. 15 foul.
4-point lead by Royal Knights. Steal by
Number 10.
Hawks.
River number 1. Pass to number 7. Nagunas. Nagunas. Ano tawag doon? Out of bounds. Labasan ball.
Lumabas. The ball goes to Labasan. (22-26) 4-point
Number
lead.
10. Pass to number 9. Back to number 10. Number 10 pass number 4. Wala pa rin ako number 4. Wala pa rin ako number. Number 4 pa rin. Number 4. Number 4. Ano tayo? Number 4. Foul. Pass foul. Foul number 27. Number 27. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
The lead is down to 2.
Sa sa arin ngayong na-shoot. May foul pa. Bonus throw para kay number 4.
Tingnan natin kung magde-deadlock ang score natin. 24-26 in favor of Royal Knights.
Wala ka number 10. Number 10. Foul. Foul number 27 pa din. Number 27. Third personal foul. Third team foul. First throw, wala. Opo. Second throw. Good for 1.
25-26. Isa na lang ang inahabol ng Labasan.
Number 08. Foul. Number 27. Pass to number 1. Huli ka kay Cardo. 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 Ano tawag doon? Offensive foul. Si number 0. Number 0. First personal foul. First team foul. Aray ko. Number 08. Number 08 pa rin, pass to number 24. Number 24, pass to number 27, wala naman number. Number 4, Ari. Pass to number 9, Jan. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 9, back to number 4. Number 4, wala naman number. Royal Knights ball. Kapos.
Oh.
Out of bounds, Labasan ball.
Kasi nagpa-pass break. Pwede namang hindi pa kasi
Ibon na
second
number 0,
period.
Cardo. Pass to number 9. Jan. Pass to number 22. Masundot, number 22. Number 10. Pass number 2. Ayan na, number 4. Foul. Foul number 7. Number 7. Second personal foul. 1-4 penalty. Huwag mo na murahin. First throw ni number 4. Wala pa din. Tinatawa ka sa karto eh. Second round na namin po. Good for one.
Deadlock at 26.
26 na bang score ha?
Deadlock 26.
Number 7. Track mode na sila. Number 10. Rex. Good for two.
Change favor lamang ng dalawang labasan.
Time mo daw. Yan. Ikaw po coach. Number 7. Pag nag-deadlock po kayo pag-asap yung labasan. Number 0 is good for two.
Change favor? No.
Number 10.
Deadlock. Deadlock 28.
Pass number 10. Pass number 0, tumira ng 3. Wala ko number. Number 7, pass number 24. Number 24. Pass number 7, pass number 27, good for 2.
Change favor lamang ng dalawa ang
Out and basket.
Royal Knights.
Royal Knights, foul number 1.
30-28, 2-point lead by Royal Knights.
Kailan lagi pagka... Ako wala kasi ako. Alam mo naman yan, di ba? Pagpatay mo ko.
Siya, number 1?
Ako kapit ko.
Foul. Penalty yun. Penalty. Penalty po yun ha, penalty.
Penalty. 30-28, 2-point lead by Royal Knights. May free throw shot ang labasan.
Good for 1. Second throw.
Leleng. In the
Second throw
house.
na number 22. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Good for 2.
Change favor lamang ng isa ang labasan. 31-30.
Number 08. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 1. Good for 2.
Change favor again. Lamang ng isang Royal Knights. 32-31.
Number 4. Sumagasa na. Wala ko number. Number 22 ang laki mo. Number 22. Wow. Wala ko number. Number 10. Hoy. Number 27. Ay, number 20 pala.
Oh! Loose ball. Leleng is in the house.
Number 3. Good for 2.
34-31, 3-point lead by Royal Knights.
Pass to number 10. Number 10. Good for 2.
The lead is down to 1, 34-33.
Number 08. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Wala ko number. 22.
Ang lalaki ng labasan.
Number 10.
Tatangkad nila.
Wala ko number. Sundot ni number 10. Number 10. Uhoy.
Oh!
Number 5.
Sayang! Highlight!
Sa ano doon? 5 minutes and 10 seconds to play. O, sige. Number 1. Mandatory substitution. Palit hero na kayo.
Mandatory substitution sa period number 2.
Ano?
Out of bounds kanina, napunta sa labasan ng bola.
Isa. number 99. Ano pre? Number 24, 15 seconds shot clock. Number 7. Pass to number. 1 hour number. 52 pass to number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Good for 2.
34-35. 1 point lead by Royal Knights.
At libot wala ka kanina. Di ba kita lipad ko sa kanya?
Oo nga.
Number 24. Pass to number 18, number 18. 1 hour number. Number 3. Pass to number 99. Number 99. 1 hour number. Same ball. Sunod. Same ball. Nabali. Saba. Ibon number 52. Pass to number 3. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 5. Good for 2.
37-34. 3 point lead by Labasan.
Number 7 out na rin dalawa na number 31. Number 31 pumihan dalawa na number 18. Number 18 pumais. Good for 2.
The lead is down to 1-36-37. Lamang pa rin ang isang labasan.
Number 52. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 16. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 99 pumukol. 1 away number. Nagkahiyaw pa number 7. Pass to number 24. Sumama sa paa. Labasan ball.
Daming turnovers.
Wala mo basahan. Basik nyo ang pa, kinakalit si Coach. Number 54. Long 2. Short, nakuha ni number 5. Si Master. Good for 2.
39-36. 3 point lead by Labasan.
Number 7. Pass to number 24. Fire for 3.
So,
3 points.
deadlock at 39 ang score natin.
Number 3. Fires for 3. No good. Rebounding number 24. 3 on 2 play. Bounce pass para kay number. No good na one number 24. Fires for 3. Bounce. 3.
Change paper tayo. 3 point lead by Royal Knights. Score is 42-39.
Sa long 2. Wala na kay number 7. Number 7.
42-39.
Number 31.
42-39.
10 seconds to play. Number 31. Pass to number 24. Subo po ulit. Pula na number 5. Si Master. Pass to number 99. Number 99 Calvo. Pumukol. Pow!
Oh!
Time out. Alay na. Royal Knights.
Deadlock tayo. 42. Deadlock at 42. Facing the Giants yung Royal Knights sa larong ito. Ang lalaki ng labasan. Considering labasan is the champion in the last league.
Sia. Second. Sala. Yeah, back to the ball game na po. Wala daw po pala kay timeout. Ayun. Number 20. Pass number 18. Pass to number 3. 20. Number 21. One number 3. 20. Number 3. 1 minute and 35 seconds to play. Number 3. Pass number 52. Wala na mga number. 99 number 99. Wala na mga number. 31. Number 31 side series. Good. Ball 2.
Change paper tayo, 44-42.
Kala ko pupukol na.
2-point lead by Royal Knights.
Ayan na. Number 52. Black line. Number 7. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Good. Ball 2. Score 90.642. Lamang ng apat na. Royal Knights. Iba na number 3. Pass number 16. Pass na ba na pumungol? Tinuro ulit, tingin pa, pinaril pa.
The lead is down to 1. 46-45.
Number.
Isa na lang ang inahabol ng labasan.
35 seconds to play. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 31, pass number 80, pass number 24. Number 24. Good for 2. Out of pass kay number 99.
49-45.
Next ball, 21 seconds to play. 21 seconds to play.
49-45. 4-point lead by Royal Knights.
Ubus na yung bala. Number 31, 15 seconds to play. Number 31. Pass number 24. 10 seconds. Number 31, 5 seconds. Good for 2 by number 31.
Score natin, 51-45. 6-point lead. 6-point lead by Royal Knights.
And the first up is score 55. Lamang ng Royal Knights. Captain ball na po ng Royal Knights. Captain ball na po ng Royal Knights. Yung shirt daw po. Yung shirt daw po. Kailangan daw po pusin. Okay na? Okay na. Oh, ayan na. Ito yung ako eh. Ay, guys. Iba number 08. To number 20. Back to number 08. Number 08. Side step. Kapos. Labasan ball. Number 10. Pass number 26. Number 26. Kami suara number. Number 1. To number 08. Number 08. 08. Sonic the headshot. Number 08. Number 4.
Score is still at 51-45. 6-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 10. Pass number 26. Back to number 10. Number 10. 10 second shot na. Pass to number 4. Ari. Pass to number 0. Number 0 is wait. Oh, siguro kabila rin pa. Anong ginawa mo? Buwasak na. Number 08.
51-48. 3-point lead by Royal
Doon
Knights.
ang sinapagawa ni Ari Cabato. Pass to number 26. Sanchez. Pass to number 10. Number 10 is number 1. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 08. Number 08 is number 26 Sanchez. Pass to number 0. Cardo. Uy, number 0. Pass to Arik. Number 4. Number 0 pa rin ang sila mo. Pumukot sa malayo. Wala ka number 22. Number 22 is number 27. Number 27. Para ka Aladdin Bursa. Number 10. Foul number 08. Number 08.
8 minutes to play. 51-48. 3-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 22. Pass to number 10. Nawala yung si Arin. Saan? Nawala si Arin. Number 08. Alvin. Pass to number 7. Wala na number 26. Ano daw doon? Foul. Push is foul. Foul number 7. Number 7 sa Royal Knights. Number 7. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Number 10. Number 4. Number 4 pa rin Ari. Perez, second shot up. Number 26. Good for 2.
50-51, 1-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 3. Number 26. Number 26. Pinatao. Nahuli number 08. Alvin ang tawag doon. Foul. Foul number 26. Number 26. First personal foul. First team foul. Balik ka to. Second na sa ako. Second na sa second ng breath. Number 10. Good for 2.
Change favor lamang ng isang labasan.
Number 3. Alvin. Stop ka. Sige po. Sige po. Ito po. Number 27. Pass to. Nagahiyaan. Number 10. Second shot up. Number 08. Good for 2. Out that pass kay Cardo. Cardo. Oy! Oy! Wala lang kay number 10. Number 10.
Score 53-52, 1-point lead by Royal Knights.
Pass to number 0. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Pass to number. Punay kay number 08. Number 08. Alvin. Sagka. Sino? Pupang is good for 2.
Si Alvin na lang. Tulungan sa kanya.
Number 0. Cardo.
Favor 55-52,
6 minutes.
3-point lead by Royal Knights. 55-52.
10 seconds shot clock. Number 4. Ordinary tira. Wala lang kay number. Number 22. Kuya Eve. Pass to number 4. Number 4 is wala pa na ako. Number 4 pa rin. Punay kay number 27. Number 27. Behind the boots. Number 27. Pass to number 7. Number 7 is pass to number 1. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Labas ang ball. Substitution. Dinasaksak. Arating ko. Yun lang. Good na rin. Water. Number 9. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 10. Rex. Sumbok sa Rex. Wala na kay number 9. Pass to number 99 wala lang number. Opre. Number 0, Corta. Opre. Good, 4-2 by number 0.
55-54. Baba sa isa ang inabol ng labasan.
Number 31. Magayes. Pass number 1. Ordinaryo tira. Wala lang number. Number 1. Save the ball. Number 2. Wala lang number. Number 31 is. Wala pa rin ang number. 0 Cardo. Oy. Number 0. Uminto. Sabi ko diretso. Ang tawag. Foul. Foul number 31. Number 31. Second personal foul. Substitution. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Info na number 10. Rex. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Ordinaryo tira. One on number. Same ball. 13 seconds shot na.
55-54. 1 point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 9. 10 seconds shot na. Number 0. Cardo. 5 seconds shot na. Number 0. Pass number 99. 2 din na 3. Number 20. Naipit. Anong tawag doon? Foul. Foul number 10. Number 10. Naglabasan. First personal foul. Second team foul. Yung bola daw po. Score natin, 54-55 in favor of Royal Knights. Number 18, pass to number 1. 15 seconds shot na, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 31, number 31. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 1. 5 seconds shot na, number 22. Kuya Kim, hindi na kayo ko. Same ball.
Sayang, takda ko saan.
Sayang, takda ko saan. Yun na. Number 1. Pass to. Huli. Number 0 yan na. Bukan tatak na talaga. Number 0. Bumalik-balik. Good 2.
Change favor naman ng isang labasan.
Bumapare. Pisto lang gamit. Number 31. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Behind the books. Number 18. Number 18 is no good. Natapit ko yung pass number 10. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Ayan na. Good. 4-2. Time out. Royal Knights.
58-55. 3-point lead by Royal Knights.
Kung tatawin mo ng highlights, pwede. Sad ka na. Sad ka na, ano? Korta. Yung ano, Bagnet. Bilan. Pegi, ano to eh? Ito, meron pa dito ko. Okay, doon nagkala isa. Back to the ball game. Ha? Kuhay ka na, Jin? Kuhay ka na? Sige, pre, labang ko lang yan, pre. Number 31, pass to number 80, number 80. Number 80 is no good. Ako na number 9. Outlet pass kay number 80. Oh, it's a goal. Ow! Foul number 0. Number 0. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Arik ko, tubig Arik. Bakit lang ako mo? Number 31. Huli! Ahoy! Number 31, natang! Napasa! Kay number 1, pass to the 0, number 0! Kota! Number 0, pass to number 0! Sagot kayo? Sige po. Ahoy! Number 31, pass to number 80! Number 80! Black card! Time out mo! Sabang! Ano ba talaga? Gulutin mo. Sabi ko. Third na. Third na, Toy. Ako siya, lumbang ka. Oy, baka na. Sablang daw sablang. Sayang ako mga spot. Oy, sablang yun. Pasok kayo, pasok. Sablang yun. Sablang yun, Brad. Naharap siya. Okay, game na. Iba rin number. 20 pass to number. 80 is good. 4-2. Score natin 58-57 in favor of labasan.
Isa na lang inaabol ng Royal Knights.
Number 10. So number 9. Owen. Back to number 10. Rex. Then, set ang number 9. Pass number 10. Pass number 9. Number 9. Sumo sa 3. Kala ko, pasok na. Lumabas pa lang. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 08. Number 08. Sige pa rin. Number 08. 3 points.
Change paper tayo, 60-58.
Dalawang Royal Knights.
60-58 lamang ng dalawang Royal Knights.
Number 10. Pass to number 99. Back to number 10. Number 10. Pukul sa 3. No good. Nakuha na ba? Uy! Takbo kaya takbo. Pag nasagasama kayo dyan. Number 08.
Cassandra?
Sumubok sa malayo.
Oh! Lasarte. Score natin.
Haha, tinawanan.
63-58. 5-point lead by Royal Knights.
Ano ba siya?
Number 9.
Para mag-drawing siya.
Pass number 10.
Messenger.
Pass number 99. Sumubok din. No good.
Sana di ko sinabi.
Ari, number 4. Pow. Pow
Hanap
number.
ka kanina ng ano eh. Nung una
Number
na,
2.
pinata si Artist Adventure na wala daw nagbibideo.
First, special foul. White 4.
Okay,
Kasi
sana.
walang ano, mga tao na
Hindi.
Bukas po.
Hindi nila na-share.
Bukas po.
Yung iba nag-share. Yung iba may 300 views, may
Second row is good.
100 plus. 63-59.
Ari, tsaka ito.
4-point lead by
Ito. Number 5.
Royal Knights.
Pass to number 99. Pass number 10. Ordinary tira. Good.
63-61. 63-61. 2-point lead by Royal Knights.
62. Number 08. Pass number 18. Pass number 20. Number 20. Ordinary tira. Number 18. Number 18. Puntang sura number 99. Number 99. Calvo. Number 99. Tangdon. Of FC Browns. Number 99. Number 99. First, personal foul, 1-4 penalty.
61-63, still 2-point lead by Royal Knights.
30 seconds to play. 25 seconds to play. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 08. Pass to number 1. Sumubok. Royal number 10. 15 seconds to play. Number 08. Number 10 pa to. Number 10. Pass to number 1. 10 seconds. Pass na kayong maririnig. 5 seconds. Good for 2. And at the third quarter, score natin 65-61 in favor of Royal Knights.
65-61, 4-point lead by Royal Knights after the third period.
quarter 4 ka agad.
Cassandra. Ayun, no? Sobrang focus ng Royal Knights sa laro na to. Imagine, they are playing with the champion, Labasan. And
Next game maganda.
in the 3 consecutive periods, sila yung laging lamang.
Versus
Tingnan natin sa 4th period.
Save. Diba? Baka na naman. Back to ball game.
Considering na napakagaling ng coach ng Royal Knights, si Coach Riz Reyes. Magaling talaga yung coach na yan. Idol ko yan.
Oy, bola! Bigyan mo naman bola. Ano bigyan bola?
Let's wait for the fourth period. Kung tuloy-tuloy yung momentum ng Royal Knights, they can get this game. So, tingnan natin.
Lumiban na po ng bahay. Nakanapas sa ordinaryo tira. Wala patay pa rin. Ang last ball. Anong tawag doon? Jump ball. Royal Knights ball. Lumiban na po yung bahay ulit.
61-65. 4-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number Siwi. Ivy. The head count. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 20. Natra, pass to number 3. 10 seconds attack. Pass to number 1. Ikla. Pass to number 27. Number 2 is good. For 2. Labang ng 6A. Royal Knights.
67-61.
Backon versus Green State.
67-61.
Pumukol. Wala pass to the pass. Royal Knights ball.
Blues ball. 67-61. 6-point lead by Royal Knights. Royal Knights must
Number 3.
stay in focus, on focus. While labasan must be in focus.
Pumukol sa malayo. No good. Nakuha number 2. Nasundot. Nakuha ni number 0. Carbo. Wala ka number 10 na tawag ko. Foul number 20. First throw ni number 10.
Tingnan natin kung mapababa ni Rex ang kalamangan na 6 points.
Sablay.
Not good in the first try.
Wala ka na nakuha ni number. Good Pakis. Good for 2. Sino nakashoot?
The lead is down to 4 points. 67-63. 4-point lead by Royal Knights.
Number 08. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 08. Humihingi ng screen. 10 seconds. Number 27. 5 seconds shot clock. Number 08 Tadulas. Labas ang ball. Inbound ni number 10. Pass to number 9. Back to number 10. Pass number 3. Open na rin tira kay Nabisado.
65-67. 2-point lead. 2-point lead by Royal Knights.
Natrap. Pass to number 20. Number 22. Outlet. Pass to number 10. Ng pamipisa. No good. 20. Nasundot. Number 20. Pass to number 3. Number 3 pa rin. Pass to number 2. Open na rin tira. No good. Number 3. Kuya Dave. Pass to number 9. Owen. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 9. Peka. Pero tinira niya.
Change favor. 1-point lead by Labasan.
Change favor na tayo. Labasan ng tatlo. Labasan.
70-67. 3-point lead by Labasan. 3-point lead. Tatlo ang inaabol ng Royal Knights.
Substitution. Number 3, pass number 31. Hule. Number 31. Pass to number 27. Number 3 seconds violation. Ang galing na ng football. Ano nalaman niyo? Wala lang. Number 10. Bibig friend. Number 10. Pass to number 0. Pumukol sa 3. No good. Number. Ang go foul. Foul number 22. Number 22. First personal foul. Second team foul. First na pa. First team foul. First na. Number 31, pass to number 20. Pass to number 31. Now track, now number 2. Pass to number 20. Good for 2.
The lead is down to 1 point. 70-69. 70-69. Isa na lang inaabal ng labas ng Royal Knights.
Foul number 31. Number 31, substitution. Third personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Tatlong tira para kay number 99. First throw is no good, second throw. Next game maganda na. Pakon versus Green State. Second throw is no good for them. Third throw para kay number 99. Good for
71-69, 2-point lead by Labasan.
Number 31, Bagayes. Tagod, Brock, Elisha. Iba number 5, pass to number 10. Pass to number 4, pass to number 0, Carbo, 15 seconds shot clock. Anong tawag doon? Same ball. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 10, pass to number 10. Pass to number 5. Number 5, attack the ball. Good, power
73-69, 4 points ang inaabol ng Royal Knights.
Apat po ang labang na Labasan. Number 31, pumulol sa press.
The lead is down to 1 point. 72-73, 1 point lead by Labasan.
Pass number 10. 15 seconds attack number 10. Pass number 4, libre. No good. Number 99. Number 99. Foul. Foul number. Number 2. Second personal foul. Third team foul. First throw. No good. Second throw. No good. Number 99 is. Wala bang number 27. Number 27. Number 27. No good. Okay number 99. Mahusay. Pass to number 0. Carbo. Number 0. Number 0 is good.
75-71. 4 point lead. May Labasan.
Oy! Lahat kayo sa batas! Number 4, pass number 10. Hindi. Natanggal yung shoes. Napakalawa ng board. Pass number 10, libre.
77-71, 6 points ang inaabol ng Royal Knights.
Number 08. Labang ng anim ang Labasan. Number 20. Buka. Number 99. Another foul. Foul number 20. Number 20. Second personal foul. 1-4 penalty. Substitution. Number 10. Pass number 0. Pass number 10. Number 10. Wala pa rin, nauna pa. Number 4 pa rin. Good!
79-71. 8 points ang inaabol ng Royal Knights.
Natrap, naipit, pass na ba si Louie? Susunod natin para number 8, tulong pass. Kawang number 2, number 7, pass na ba? 20, suwala yung number 5. Tapos natin sa number 5. Number 10. Wala na kayo natin. Number 10, 2 points.
81-71. 10 points na ang inaabol ng Royal Knights.
Sampu na lamang na. Labasan. Number 7. No good. Number 10. Rest. Number 10. 3 minutes and 15 seconds to play. Number 10. Number 10. Tatlo bumabati sa kanya. Nawala pa rin. 99. Pass to number 10. Back. 10 seconds siya na. Number 10. Pass to. Uwi na kay number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 3. Susunod sa Tres. 3 points. Sabi. Magay.
74-81. 7-point lead. Kay Labasan. 7 ang inaabol ng Royal Knights.
Number 99. 10 seconds attack. 5 seconds attack. Number 5. Pugo sa Tres. No good. Ako naman. Number 3. Pass number 31. No good. Ako number 99. Pass number 0. Cardo. Number 0. Pass number 5. Number 5. Sumagasa na. Foul. Foul number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Foul. Number 20. Number 20. Third personal foul. Penalty. First draw. Sablay. Second draw ni number 5. Good one.
82-74. 8-point lead. Kay Royal. Kay Labasan.
Ano ba yung tira? Number 10, wala na laban. Number 22, easy na ang point guard. 10 seconds shot na. Number 5, wala na ko number. Number 2. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Nagantay na kakapagpass to number 3. Tulo ko sa 3. No good. Nakuha number 7. Number 7. 10 seconds shot na. Number 10. Number 20 pass to number 08. Wala naman number 5. Ang last mo. Steve answer. Number 5. 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. Number 5. Pass to number 9. 10 seconds shot na. Number 9. 1 minute and 10 seconds to play. 5 seconds shot na. Number 10. Number 10. Basa na. 24 shot violation. Tanda po. Royal Knights. Even number 2, pass to number 20, pass to number 08, Aldi. 55 seconds to play, number 20, swala ka number 22. Kala ko mabasa mo, nakatingin ako sa kabila. Number 10, 45 seconds to play. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 9 back to number 10. Pass number 9. Susunod ka. Go good. Ganito na ibang pass to number 99. 38 seconds to play. Go good. Ako number 7. 30 seconds to play. Huli. Number 7. 15 seconds shot clock. 20 seconds to play. Pass to number 08. Pinabayaan na. 2 minutes sa press. No good ako number 9. Pass to number 12. 10 seconds to play. Tayo ba akala ko ano? Sorry po coach. Hindi ako coach ha. Lakas mo. Kala ko tayo ano? Sorry po. Sige po. Send nyo na coach.
Ganda ng pinakita ng Royal Knights dito. Sa fourth period, yung mga labasan. But the play of Royal Knights is so nice.
Seconds, pass number 31. 5 seconds, number 18, pass number 3. Pass to number 7 is go good. And the ball game. There you go.
Kailan laro niyo? Wala pa?